Tired of seeing request failed every time you try to get paid on Cash App? Let's ditch the frustration and fix this annoying problem in just a minute and a half. First, the most common culprit, your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong cellular signal. Try opening a website or another app to confirm your internet is working properly. If it's not, troubleshoot your internet connection before trying Cash App again. Next, Cash App servers might be temporarily down. To check this, head into the app and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap support. Look through the facts for any announcements about service outages. You can also check Cash App's status page on their website or social media if there is an outage. Simply wait it out and try again later. Third, verify your Cash App account. Tap your profile icon again. Scroll down to privacy and security and make sure you've completed all verification steps, including linking a bank account or card and verifying your identity. Unverified accounts often face transaction limitations. Fourth, the person requesting could have hit their spending limit. To resolve this, they'll need to verify their account. If you are requesting money, make sure the person sending money is verified. Fifth, your payment might be flagged as potentially fraudulent. Cash App employs security measures to protect its users. If a transaction seems suspicious, it might be blocked. Check your activity tab for any pending or failed requests and look for a message from Cash App asking you to confirm or cancel the transaction. Finally, check your Cash App limits in privacy and security. Tap My Limits. Cash App sets daily or weekly limits on sending and receiving money. If you've reached your limit, you'll need to wait until the limit resets or verify your account to increase your limit. And that's it. Usually, one of these steps will get your Cash App request working again. If you're still having trouble after trying these tips, contact Cash App support directly through the app. They're always happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech solutions.